President-elect Trump's tweet announcing a telephone conversation with President Tsai stoked questions as to whether he intends to alter America's longstanding acknowledgement of Beijing's One China policy that precludes any official recognition of Taiwan. Trump's team says the controversy is overblown.
This was a courtesy call. It's a little mystifying to me that President Obama can reach out to a murdering dictator in Cuba in the last year and be hailed as a hero for doing it. And President-elect Donald Trump takes a courtesy call from a democratically elected leader in Taiwan, and it's become something of a controversy.
But Pence did not dispute that Trump intends a more assertive U.S. posture towards China on trade and other matters.
He's going to fight for American jobs, and we're going to stop losing to China and other countries.
Trump was blunt about China during the campaign.
We have a $500 billion deficit, trade deficit with China. We can't continue to allow China to rape our country, and that's what they're doing. It's the greatest theft in the history of the world.
So far, a restrained response from China to the Trump-Tsai telephone call.
It was just a stunt by Taiwan. It will not change the international bedrock of the One China policy. It will not change the One China policy that the United States has adhered to for years.
Despite no formal ties, the United States and Taiwan have cooperated on military matters for decades. Whether Trump intends to expand the boundaries of that relationship as part of his promise to get tougher with China likely will remain a mystery until he assumes office next month. Michael Bowman, VOA News, Washington.